Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be trying out some Malaysian dishes. So yeah, and I want you guys to see how Malaysian food is like, because we got here some Malaysian snacks, and you can see here we have Cendol yeah, this is it. You can see I'm gonna write the name on the screen so you can see. This is like we drink this with ice, cold ice in a glass, yeah. And also we got this it's like sauce. This we eat this with beef or fish prepared, and yeah, and with rice. We eat this with rice. We'll put on the rice and we eat it with it. So I'm gonna put the name on the screen, and you can see we're gonna be trying this out. And we also got this like chips. I'm gonna put the name on the screen. Sorry, I'm not from Malaysia, so the names are really tricky for me to pronounce, so I'll rather put the name on the screen and you're gonna see. So we're gonna be trying this out and see how it tastes like. And yeah, it's like chips, so we're gonna try it out. And we also got this. Yeah, we also got this. We're gonna be trying this out. I'm gonna leave the names on the screen, and yeah, so we're gonna be trying it out. And I got some amazing people with me. They're gonna join me, and we're going to try out these amazing stuffs and like just see how it's like, because this is our first time trying out Malaysian snacks. So guys, I'm here with some amazing people, and we are gonna be trying out this Malaysian cuisine for the first time. What is actually amazing is that none of us here have tried out Malaysian dish before, and we are really like excited. So I'm here with Pare, and I'm here with Freddy as well, the explorer. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Fred. Machari is called the explorer. So I travel different countries, trying different food, cultures. So yeah, I'm so happy to be here.
Yo guys, so my name is Pare. I'm a resident. We are all in London actually. So yeah, we've never tried anything Malaysian like my colleague has just said, and this is what we are going to do today. So just sit tight, relax, and enjoy the video.
So now we're so excited to try the food now.
So guys, yeah, we're gonna be trying the food, and we're just gonna be giving our natural reaction, what we feel about the taste, if it's something similar to what we have tasted before, and yeah, we're just gonna give how we feel about it. And right now I'm really excited to try this out, because I've never tried any Malaysian dish before, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah,
are you excited to try?
Very excited. Never had any Malaysian
Are
food
you
before.
excited?
I've already started eating.
Already started, you don't waste any time.
Yeah. So, yeah,
the stew is very spicy. That's what I've observed.
Yeah.
From my own perspective, the rice is okay.
Let's try.
The sauce is okay. Don't know if you call it sauce or stew. And I've observed something like ginger inside that makes it to be very hot. Yeah, so I think it's nice to give it a try. What do you think about it?
Wow, honestly, it's quite delicious. I really enjoyed it. I can see the little spice on it.
Mm.
So what I can say about this is that yeah, the sauce, it really tastes different, because like I've never eaten a sauce that majority of the taste really feel like ginger. Yeah, I really feel like there's a lot of ginger in it, and I think there's chili as well, because you know ginger is like spicy, and you know chili is very spicy as well. So the sauce is really spicy, and I find that interesting, because where I'm from, we are not used to a lot of spicy stuffs, but having this really tastes spicy, and I would say it's delicious. Yeah, it's good to try new stuffs. And
yeah,
right
I didn't
now
expect this.
I think I'm loving it.
Yeah, it's quality. Honestly, I can see a lot of flavors.
Yeah.
Like say ginger. And this is the first time I'm having this kind of food where it just comes from package. Usually I make it, you know, tomato sauce. But this is the first time I'm trying this. Honestly, excellent.
And this one is my best. I love the chips. I can eat it all day. Yeah.
You like a chips? Okay.
It's my best.
So we are gonna try the chips.
Try chips?
Yeah. We're gonna try the chips.
The chips, as you can see, I like the colors. It looks Oh, very fancy. Look at it.
So just from the appearance, I'll say chips. When we talk of chips, this one really seems different. The appearance really seems different. That's what really makes me interested in trying this out, because the color and like the feel, the texture, it really feels different. So let me just try this out and see.
Yeah, let's try it.
Yeah, it feels sticky and also like it feels sweet, and it's made out of cassava. So I can feel like the cassava flavor a bit.
Mm.
Yeah.
Looks like popcorn.
Yeah, so it's like, it's really amazing.
Honestly, it's nice. It's not too sweet.
Yeah, it's not too sweet.
It's not too spicy. You know, the crisp we eat. So most of the
Yeah.
time I eat the crisp. It's not
It's
really like
crispy. It's crispy
Yeah.
as well.
this. The only issue I have is a bit sticky. That's the only issue. But the rest, the taste is just quality.
And also it's not too sweet.
Yeah,
as
exactly.
compared to some other snacks and chips that's too sweet. This
Too
one
much
is not
sugar.
too sweet.
Yeah, yeah. Because before I never rated that much. Always I don't expect that much. But from this Malaysian thing I'm trying today, my expectation has been, because I have not exposed to Malaysian food in London.
Yeah.
You see, you eat Thai food or Korean food, Japanese food, but no Malaysian that much.
Yeah,
But-
and also
Hmm.
as an African living in London, more into my native African dishes, and
Okay.
so I'm really like excited trying out Malaysian dishes.
So after this, will you be visiting Malaysian restaurant in London?
In
Yeah,
fact, I'm going next month.
I think so. I think I'm gonna be trying out Malaysian restaurant and more other Asian restaurants to try out their stores, because I've heard a lot about their dishes. They got good spicy dishes, and I really want to try them out. From trying this out, it really gives me motivation to try out more Malaysian dishes, because I believe in Malaysia they have different kind of foodstuffs and like dishes, snacks, and it's gonna be really exciting to try out different stuffs. We have to try out next. I'm gonna leave the name. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the name of this stuff in the screen. I'm gonna leave the name in the screen. So yeah, let's try this out. Looking at this, this really looks familiar. Where I'm from,
Okay.
in Africa, this kind of fish,
Fancy? Yeah.
yeah, it really looks familiar. I'm really interested, like, to try out this to feel the taste, if it seems different from what I'm used to eat.
Okay.
So let me try this out.
What do you think?
So I would say, from all this stuff, this one really looks similar to this kind of fish for us in Africa. It's more spicy. I want you to have a taste of it.
Yeah.
So this is like dry fish for me. If I have my way, I will use it to cook rice. I'll use it to cook local rice. But let me try it again. Very, very dry.
Yeah, it's really
That's one thing I
dry.
like about it. Very dry, very hard.
So, Freddy, why
For
don't
me, it's new experience. I'm not used to eating this kind of dry fish, and so I don't know how I'm gonna feel. Let's try. Let's try. For me, because example in Africa, we have this kind of thing, but we make it with meat, dry meat. So kind of tastes like that, similar to that, and I can see a little bit saltiness on it, and so yeah, it's not bad for me. But like I said, it's a new experience for me. I never had fish, dry fish, and yeah. Next thing we have is a drink. We're gonna try. We have a drink. We're gonna be trying. As you can see, you can look at it.
So we're gonna leave the name of this. I want you guys to try it, yeah, and tell me how you feel about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm very impressed. It's not
Yeah.
very sweet.
It's nice, yeah, it's not
Yeah,
sweet. It's
very
not,
nice.
It's not sugary. It's
And it has ice in it.
Ice on it.
When serving it, you need to serve it with ice.
yeah, it looks plant-like.
Honestly,
It's nice.
it looks like a smoothie, like fresh smoothie for me.
Yeah.
Quality. Wow.
Definitely, if you have this, I think you enjoy it. You wanna have to order for more, because it's really good.
Honestly, I did not expect like this. When he told me about this thing, about these products,
Yeah. So
this is not how I expected.
yeah, we just wanted to try it out, and we're really excited because none of us have tried out Malaysian cuisine before, so this we're just trying it out, and so far I think I love most of the stuffs I've tasted, and it's actually good to go out and test the cuisines of different culture, and yeah, it's really good.
Exactly. Be open-minded. Try every country, and you will find something you like.
Yeah.
Don't just be always
In one place.
in one place.
Or eating only your food.
Only your food.
Or maybe
Yeah.
maybe you just look at other cuisine of different cultures physically and you think it's not good. It's always good to try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely we're gonna be dropping the link of all of these products, the website for Malaysia. We're gonna drop the link in the description box. Definitely, you could go to the website and order some of it.
Would you
Yeah.
order, Raymond?
Alright.
Would you be ordering
I will order this one 10 times.
Yeah,
10 times?
Definitely.
It's my best.
it's finished
Chris,
because
oh, you already
it's so
finished.
good.
Look at it.
You can see I'm there.
gone.
Guys, I even finished the rice.
I'm gonna be leaving the images of all of this stuff.
Which one is your favorite
Ice
one
cream.
out of all of them then? And why?
I think my favorite one is the chips as well.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's actually strange hearing that like cassava,
Yeah.
because where we come from Africa, cassava we mostly use it to make flour that is made out of cassava and so on. So it's really strange seeing that they can actually transform cassava into this kind
Chips,
of
yeah.
chips, and
Yeah.
it's so amazing. Definitely, I'm gonna be try to order some of these stuffs because
Okay.
yeah,
Exactly. For me, this has been my favorite one. Honestly, it's the kind of food I like. Something spicy. And from this one I'll give it 10 out of 10. And I'm gonna order for sure because I just liked how sometimes you're working, you are busy working, and you don't have time to cook whatever it is, and you can just make rice and put on top. And honestly, it tastes delicious, delicious taste. And this drink also has been fantastic for me. It's not too sugary, it's not too like spicy, whatever it is. It's just like something fresh juice. And yeah, for me, two of them has been excellent for me. This one, number one. This one, number two.
oh Malaysia, thank you for this.